Subscribe to Femina and press the bell icon.
Hi, I'm Yasmin Karachiwala and you're watching me on Femina.in. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina. Our today's workout is a HIIT workout, high intensity interval training. It comprises of 4 exercises which you're going to do for 45 seconds each with a 15-second break to set up and prepare for the next exercise. Make sure that you stick to the timing as it's going to elevate your heart rate and give you a cardiovascular element to your training. The first exercise is invisible ball slams. Imagine that you're holding a ball in your hand. You're going to go up on your toes and then slam the ball down. Go up and slam. So go up on your toes and slam. If you want to add a little more intensity, add a little jump. Okay, ready? Let's get started. Ball in your hand, up on your toes and go. Or just up and down. Whichever version you choose, stick to that version, or you can keep changing the version in between. The next exercise is double lunge pulse into double lunge squat. So you're going to go into a lunge, pulse, pulse, squat, pulse, lunge, pulse, squat, pulse. And you're going to do this for 45 seconds. So let's get started. Your time starts now. Lunge, lunge, squat, squat, lunge, lunge, squat, squat. Continue doing this for 45 seconds. The next exercise is power jacks. So you go into a squat, come up into a power jack squat, power jack squat, power jack squat. Now, if you don't want to do the power jack, you can just go on the floor without lifting your legs up. Choose the variation that you want to do. Okay, let's get started. 45 seconds. Squat, jack. Or the next exercise is all fours fire feet. Come into an all fours position, curl your feet, lift your knees off, make sure that your back is not rounded, it's still neutral. From there, you're going to lift your legs and go fast like you're running without changing the position of your back. Okay, let's get started. 45 seconds now. Continue doing this for 45 seconds. I hope you guys enjoyed this workout. Do let us know in the comments below. And stay home, stay safe, and most importantly guys, stay positive.